there. I'm finished reprogramming myself to feel pain, both physical and emotional. Let's see what's next on my to-do list. Set self on fire, because why do matches get to have all the fun? Wait, there is a logical problem with this. I don't have any gasoline. I could go to the gas station, but I'm broke and they still have the wanted posters of me. Well, let's just say I did it and cross it off my list. That makes sense to me, like how 1 plus 1 equals something that looks like a snake that got punched in the gut. I wonder what would happen if 2 bites me. Will I become a number? Maybe then I can have imaginary number friends who will treat me better than my real imaginary friends. They are so mean to me. I remember once they blindfolded me, threw me in a room and screamed at me. Something about a birth party or something like that. What terrible people. And they wonder why I don't hang out with them anymore, and call them every night to remind them on how much I liked the cake they made for me. But I don't want to get into that right now, so I'm going to push it way deep down inside of me. And now that I have emotional pain, it's going to hurt so much. I wonder what else I put down there. Oh look, my hopes and dreams.